Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to improve video quality with AI in 2024. So today we're going to explore how to improve the video quality using AI. Of course, AI technology has made it easier than ever to enhance the resolution, clarity, and overall the quality of your videos. Whether you're looking to upscale old footages or even improve the quality of your latest projects, these steps will guide you through the process of doing so. So let's get started. Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And start by selecting AI video enhancement tool that meets your needs. In 2024, there are popular tools including like the Topaz Video Enhance, AI, Hitspow Video Enhancer, and DVD Fab, and larger, I guess, AI. And you can do your own research and choose a tool based on feature, ease of use, and compatibility with your device. Many of these tools, of course, has free trial or offer free trial, so you can test them before committing. Of course, I'll open those three to show you just out. So Topaz is example, Video Enhancer. So AI. So enhancer AI. There is the hits like POW video enhancer. So and the last option is the VED Fab enhancer or enlarger actually. So yeah, Fab enlarger AI. So as you can see, three options. You can look for those three as example. So yeah, as you can see, for this Hitspout, it seems like an app to download on your PC, which it will do, basically automatically upscale video quality with machine learning AI video upscaler to blur videos and colorize videos. So if it's like old, as you can see, this is what it does. So it's basically enhance the quality, as you can see. And even exclusive design AI to repair some damage and unplayable videos, and fast and smooth video background removal and replacement. So you can try it for free or simply buy it now, as you can see. So you can buy it for 1 month or perpetual as an example. So it's one-time purchase instead of keep paying year by year, etc. And or you can simply try it for free first of all. There's the top up, as you can see, this top up video. To basically do the same, you'll basically have to download this on your PC. You can try it for free as an example, and you can enter your email address example. So I'll just enter my email address and get the free download maybe as example. And for me, I'm not going to download this right now. And you have this last one, which is Unifab. So choose the same. It's going to be the same. You can download it on your PC and etc. depending on whatever you want. So example, for me, I just go and choose this bits Hitspow. For you, you can, of course, download whatever suits you. As I said, you can go and check the features of every option and see how it's going to work for you and etc. So for me, as we said, I'll just choose this one and click here on yes. And as example, and click on install, and I'll have to wait a bit until it's installed. So yeah, in the meantime, I'll just look for some bad like quality video download. Simple as that. Hit the enter button. So poor quality videos as an example. Why not? So this seems okay. This seems good. I'll just go and click on download. Yeah, why not? And yeah, I'll try to colorize something. So I'll try this one also. And yeah, so these two seems okay. And we're going to see if this is going to make any improvement on this poor quality videos or not. So for me, at the moment, I'll just close all of that. As you can see, for you, as I said, you can go and do your own research and check whatever suits you, depending on the features and even price if you're planning to pay, if you like the free trial. So you can even download them, three of them, all, or you watch videos about all of them. There has to be some videos about it online, so of people trying it, and you can look what suits your needs. So as an example, this one is soon is going to be completed. So I'll just pause the video, wait for it until it gets completed, and come back into you guys. بص أنا مش ندوش خاطري. So it's soon like gonna get completed. As you can see, 99% completed. So yeah, as you can see, it's completed. So hit Bow Video Enhancer, and it should be opened, I guess. So just wait for it until it's opened. As you can see, so it's loading. Of course, as I said, you can simply just go and get like a plan if you like it. Okay, it's opened on my other screen. Like here's it. So there's the AI. So there's the video enhancer where you can enhance videos. There's the AI background removal, watermark removal, magic sky. I don't know what that does. And video repair. So if you have a video that isn't playable, and you know simply like maybe make it playable, you'll be able seems to use it in here, like fix unplayable videos, eliminating like flickering, fix video screen loss, solve video lag, restore video sound, and even video correction, as you can see. So for us, we'll need to use video enhancer, imports like video file. I'll just click on that, or you can simply I'll just get it from my download like link. So basically I'll just go here, open that in the other screen, and basically all I need to do here is so yeah, basically you're just going to drag this video out in here. So okay, drag and drop is not working. So just go here, click on download, basically click on this guy or this video, and this should be good to go. So as you can see, this is the list of videos that you have been added. You can continue to add or remove. So here you can select stuff. You can preview the effects before exporting. Click on next, and here you can export. So I'll just import the other video to do both of it. So here, first of all, as you can see, this is the first video, has no colors, etc. So what do you want to do about this video? As you can see, so you can enable acceleration. As example, you need to download like something, it seems. I'm sure you want to download the Tensor RT acceleration package. You can start downloading it or whatever you want. And you can see, you can hear preview effects that you're done. For me, of course, I still did not do anything. So yeah, I'll just go and click on return. So nice preview, why not? So here, as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can add. An example, so there's the colorized model. As you can see, some things that you need to download, like first of all, this has no color, so we'll try to colorize it. So let's just wait for it until download. Of course, this one as example, you can simply just, I don't know, make better quality as example and see. So you can click on preview and see if it does something. So let's just wait for it until it improves the quality. So it needs to load as example. So if you can notice, or if you're noticing something, the quality is actually much better. I don't know if you're noticing anything, but the quality is actually much better. So let me just zoom a little bit for you guys. So as you can see, oh sorry. So as you can see in here, look at this quality and look at this quality. So of course it will keep doing that until it's finished this whole video. So it will be good to go. So for me, I'll just go here and click on exit preview, and I'll basically just show you also this colorized model. I'll just click on colorized model and click on preview as an example. And let's see the preview, how it's going to look like. As you can see, so it's colorized. And you can simply, again, wait for the whole video until it gets colorized. So you can keep playing the video. And as you can see, it's getting colorized. So once you finish all of that, you can export it and you should be good to go. So yeah, as you can see, a very useful program that if you want to use it. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.